Hello and welcome to this borders video tutorial. Here we're going to take a look at how to use the classic art borders that you'll find on this month's CD. So the first thing to do is just to open up one of those borders, and they're already sized, ready for printing. So you can, once you've copied those across to your computer, just select one that you want to use. So here I want to use the 7x5 thick portrait. Open that up and you'll instantly see the border appear, and you can also see where the transparency of that border appears, and that's basically all there ready for the image to be laid in. So before we start, we just want to duplicate the background layer, and you can do that by just dragging and dropping onto the new layer icon. Then just click back onto the background copy, go up to File and Place, locate the image that you want to use and click Paste, and that'll instantly pop that image behind the border. If you're happy with the scale and size, just click the green Commit button and then go over to your layer options, flatten image, and now you have your image ready to print. So those classic borders, they're all pre-sized to specific paper sizes, and all you need to do is just duplicate the layer, place the image in, flatten it down, and then that image is ready to print. So that's how to use the classic art borders that are included on this month's CD.